Hello everyone. Huawei is sending a new software update for Huawei Watch GT to smartwatch users in China. According to the new information, this latest update added major features to Watch GT2 that will surely help the users in daily life activities. The latest information discloses that the new features rolling out for Huawei Watch GT2 are lock screen passwords, support for more third-party application, one-key drainage, Bluetooth portability ring, heart health, and more. After upgrading, Huawei Watch GT2 users are able to use these new features offered by Huawei. To update your smartwatch, open the Huawei Health app, select your device, and proceed towards the app update section as well as follow on-screen instructions. To know more about the Huawei Watch GT2 major features, you can check the full changelog on the screen. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.